You've just created the perfect report. Everything is in the right order, and it includes all the elements you want to show to your client. Wouldn't it be great if every report looked just like this? With RPR's Next Gen Reports, now it can. By saving your report as a custom template, you can reuse it with a single click, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Custom templates are one of the most exciting features in the Next Gen Reports. They allow you to quickly create reports tailored to your needs, whether you're working with specific client types, such as relocation buyers, or focusing on different scenarios like showcasing luxury properties or persuading a hesitant seller. To show you just how powerful these templates can be, let's walk through a real-world example, creating a time-to-move report template for off-market prospecting. This configuration focuses on data points that help sellers assess market conditions and possible financial outcomes to make informed decisions about the right time to list their property. Start by selecting the Reports dropdown. Choose a preset RPR template to start customizing your own report. We'll choose the seller's template for this example. Enter a report location and a title, then select Continue. Because the report editor generates your report in real time with the viewer on the right, you'll need to work with a specific property. From the report editor, select the Customize tab. Let's start with the cover page. So you won't need to select a photo now since we're creating a template, but you can edit other details like your contact info and even add a message. But this message will appear on each report created based on this template. So if you're prospecting, consider setting a generic message that fits multiple reports. Click Edit Profile to adjust your contact details. Once the cover page is correct, click the back arrow or Customize to return to your elements. Select the down arrow next to each section to uncollapse the elements. Check the box elements of the elements you want displayed on the report. Uncheck the ones you do not. Select all section elements to select all. Select the same box to unselect all. Your report will auto scroll to whichever section you're working on, and you can preview your updates in real time. See the elements collapse and expand within your report as you build. You can increase or decrease the size of the report viewer here in the lower right, and manually scroll through the report as well. These gray boxes show that you can drag and rearrange elements. You can rearrange some elements within each section. You can also drag and drop full sections to move them within the report. Note you cannot move elements in between sections. So for example, you could not move an element like active listings from the market trends section into the property summary section. Certain sections like property summary cannot be rearranged because of the way the elements are located on the page. They are just selected or unselected. So in our time to move report template, we'll keep the property summary right after the cover page, but all we want to show is the map and the AVM and RVM details. In property information, we're going to show sales history. So I'll unselect everything and then make the one selection here. Since it's towards the bottom, I will drag it to the top of the section so it's easy to view in the builder. Now I'd like market trends to come next, so I'll drag that element up below property information. We'll select market trends, median estimated property value, active listings, pending listings, and sold listings. This will give a good overview of what's currently happening in their market. Now I'll move up the pricing summary and include the price and seller's net sheet. Note, unless I've created the seller's net sheet in the property details, nothing will show here. As soon as you've entered this information and saved it in the property details section, you'll see it update on your report. Every property is going to have different information available based on the public and listing records. You can choose an element here, but if it's not on the property record, it will not appear on the report. This is just a good note as you build out your custom template, what you might like in another report that is just not available on this particular property. Next, we'll drag up our refined value section and select the refined value summary. Again, this work all takes place on the property details page. Watch our pricing and property tutorial on creating a CMA to walk step by step through our pricing tools. And last, we'll add a custom page of market timing insights. From the Custom Pages tab, select Add Page to upload PDF files from your system. You can upload a max of 5 pages, no larger than 10 megabytes. It's best to name these files clearly for future use. The 3 dots on the corner of each added page allows you to view the page, rename it, or delete it. Let's select the page we want inserted in our report and then go back to the Customize tab to drag and drop it to the location we want. Last, I'm going to open up the remaining sections and unselect the elements, and now scroll through my report. It's a slim report and a perfect overview to send a client wondering if it's the right time to move. Time to save this template for future use. Select Save, then Save as Template. Name your template. Select Save Template again. Now, under Templates, you'll see your Customized Save Template. You can create up to 20 customized templates. Click on any template to launch the reports editor, or select the upper right of your template to find the delete option. Looking for more inspiration? We have a great article detailing a few other custom template recipes on the blog at rpr.me/custom-templates. Save time and streamline your reports with RPR's custom templates.